Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to drive through Cross Roads in Kingston, Jamaica. Now Cross Roads is a very popular area. It's a major transportation hub, so you find a lot of buses, taxis. It's a major transportation spot. So we're going to take a quick tour through Cross Roads. But if you're going from Halfway Tree to downtown Kingston, two of the most popular places in Jamaica, you're going to go through Cross Roads. So on the right is Daytona Auto Parts. So we're now on Caledonia Avenue, and we're going on to Slide Pen Road now. Well, at the stoplight we'll turn left onto Slide Pen Road. So you can see on the left all the taxis parked, and on the right is another taxi stand. And the World Cup is going to start tomorrow. Today is Saturday, the World Cup starts tomorrow, so you can see all the flags on display. As we said, Cross Roads is a very busy place, so you have a lot of activity. So on the left is the Cross Roads Post Office, and straight across the road is the Cross Roads Bus Park, and then behind the bus park is the police station. So we turn left here, we go on Slipe Road. If we turn right, we go on Old Hope Road, and also can access Halfway Tree Road. Crossroads is given the name Crossroads. Okay, before we do that, that monument you see on the right, that is in memory of the soldiers that fought in World War II. And over here on the right now is probably the most popular location in Crossroads. That's the Carib Theatre, the Carib Movie Theatre. And it's been there for decades. Alright, on the left is a Scotia branch, and before it was an NCB branch, but they no longer operate as full branches, just the automated machines at the front. And on the left you have the Institute of Higher Learning, on the right is courts. Very, very busy place. Then on the left is another very popular location, which is the City of Kingston. It's a credit union. And the Crossroads area also has a lot of schools in it. So during the afternoon when schools let out, this place is packed with school children. On the right is Rapid True Value, a hardware store. On the left is another hardware store. Now on the right is the Rainforest Seafood. That's one of their outlets. That's their outlets in Crossroads. So if we take Stipend Road, it will eventually take us into National Hero Circle, and from there you can go into downtown Kingston. But we're going to go back up Marasca Road, which is another very popular road in the Crossroads area. So we're going down Slipe Road now, and then we're going to turn left at the other light and go up Marasca Road. On the left is Emmanuel Apostolic Church. Now down here on the right, I'm not sure if it's still here, used to be a very popular restaurant called Just Foods. Not sure if they're still operating. Okay, they're still there. There it is on the right, Just Foods Bakery. Looks like they're closed today. No, they're actually open. Alright, so if we went straight, we'd go into downtown Kingston. Turn right, we would go to the Kingston Public Hospital. But we turn left, and we're now heading towards National Hero Circle. And then from National Hero Circle, we will go on to Marasca Road and head back up Marasca Road. On the left is the Wolmer's Boys School. Very prestigious school in Jamaica. It's one of the old, it is the oldest school in Jamaica actually. And on the left here now, where you see the fence color change, this is the Woolmore's Girls' School. So, alright, so we're now on Marasco Road, heading back towards Caledonia Avenue. So on the left and the right of this bridge, that is the Woolmore's Girls' School. And when you think of Marasco Road, the most popular location is National Water Commission. Their head office is on Marasco Road. So this is the Water Commission office or facility on the right. So we're back on Caledonia Avenue now. Now straight ahead is a new plaza. It was built probably a year or two ago. Very popular. Well, it's in a very busy area, so that road that's straight ahead, that is Halfway Tree Road. The road on the other side of the plaza, that's Halfway Tree Road. And that road takes you from Cross Roads to Halfway Tree. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.